Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. So today I'm going to teach you how to use actions in Photoshop. So as you can see, this is my action I've already installed. So they're saying here click to play, so you just have to click and play, like I said. So then press OK. Then this action already selects for you itself brush tool. Every setting is already made by itself. If you need it, you can click on the link below. You'll find it in one of my websites. So this is how it works. You can just come and start brushing with it. You brush everything. As you can see, this one you can even see the change when you're brushing it already. So as you can see, we have brushed it. So click and make a copy of the photo, then merge it with the brushed, then come here to, you can use two different styles. You can use spot healing brush in a way that you'll just go like this. Yeah, there you're done with it. Or you can just come to lasso tool, select the part you want to remove, add this one on it too, then you say fill and select content aware, then you press OK. Then clear, you can see that it has disappeared, but it leaves some lines, so that's why it will still bring you back here. But sometimes you can use that on clear photos like background. It works perfect. So in 1 second you're done with your stuff. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like, share. Yeah, that's how you do it.